This video covers pouring concrete in winter. How cold is too cold? Here's what you need to know. First, pouring concrete in winter. How cold is too cold? Below 25 degrees Fahrenheit is dangerous. Between 25 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit requires hot water mix and curing blankets. On pouring concrete in winter, how cold is too cold? Complete guide. Pouring concrete in cold weather requires special precautions. Understanding temperature limits and protection requirements prevents damage and ensures your concrete reaches proper strength. This guide covers when it's safe to pour and what protection is required. Moving to below 25 degrees Fahrenheit, too dangerous. Below 25 degrees Fahrenheit is too cold and dangerous for concrete placement. At these temperatures, concrete will freeze before it can gain strength, causing permanent damage. Next, what happens when concrete freezes? Hydration stops. Chemical reaction requires liquid water. Regarding why 25 degrees Fahrenheit is the limit, concrete needs to stay above freezing to hydrate. Even with protection, freezing risk is too high below 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Note that damage is permanent and can't be repaired. On 25 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, requires protection. Between 25 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, concrete can be placed but requires specific protection. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.